Good morning, guys. We are here. I'm here outside waiting for Eddy, and our luggage is ready. We're gonna pick them and get ready for Zaragoza.
Good job.
And right now the temperature is 6 degrees, which is cold.
Full? Full, yes. Let's push this sucker over here. Huh? Am I? Oh, I didn't know. We've been driving for 1 hour, but we had to stop.
Not 1 hour. Oh yeah.
Yes, 1 hour. We had to stop a little bit earlier than we wanted because we had to get some fuel. Now we have potato omelet heated in the microwave on, and a cup of coffee. So cold this morning.
And it's almost 9 here.
It's cold.
It's still cold.
The omelet is cold inside. I don't know where we are, but we are about 200 kilometers southwest of Madrid.
We are in Susdilia. Saucidelia. It's spelled sauce and then Bill.
Okay.
Sauce.
Your guess is as good as mine. Okay.
So this is our second break for today. It's a little bit cold.
Little bit.
It's really cold.
I
think really we cold are and
there's about 6 or 7 degrees.
6 degrees, and my legs were shaking.
Your legs are shaking?
Yeah,
You should tell me.
because it's so cold.
She doesn't tell me. I should actually put the sweater on. Do I have your car, your key? I don't have your key. Let's check out your Kuan all the way past Madrid. Yeah, we'll see if we feel like having lunch, but I want to pass through it because it's a little bit more busy there. So let's see if we can get out. So there might be a little bit of traffic, but we'll deal with that.
Finally, I dropped it. Shit. No, it's fine. I think I got it slowly.
Max is doing good on the motorway and decided just to take a leak and go on the motorway again right through the center of Madrid, and then on the other side somewhere, when the traffic is loosening up a little bit, find a place to eat.
Good evening.
I can't see a thing, I don't have any glasses on.
Yeah, you should wear your glasses first. So yeah, we arrived here in Zaragoza.
We are staying in the
We are-
Airbnb.
Yeah, we are staying here at
It's an Airbnb.
yeah for one night, and it's like
How much are we paying?
40 euros. Is it?
No, it's about 34, I think, or something like that.
Yeah.
Which was like, we compared the price with the hostel, and the hostel was same price, and we thought, okay.
Yeah. And
the hostel here in Zaragoza didn't have too many good remarks, so like, we might as well just take an Airbnb and a room in an Airbnb.
yeah.
We don't have the whole place, just this bedroom here, and then we have access to the kitchen, living room if you want to, and bathroom and all these things. And it's not that important. We just need a place to stay,
Yeah.
get a shower, go to bed, and get up early. So that's really the thing.
Yeah, we're so tired. We arrived here around 7,
Yeah.
and we were freezing in the road earlier because
Wow, we from Madrid we cross over mountains, and we were, it was like a 1600
you
meters.
should watch that. Not look at me.
Okay, we were at. Doesn't matter.
You should, because you're talking to the audience.
We, this audience.
I'm not your audience. Honey.
That audience there. But I'm trying to find the words. You have to help me, because I'm not that
Ang
clever.
Bisaya ko.
Bisaya ko.
So ganina kay grabe gud ka unexpected ang event kay ngano.
I understand just as little as you could do. Anyway, so we crossed a mountain range, which
Yeah.
is really beautiful, and we were up at like,
It was really beautiful.
yeah,
But-
1600 meters. But in the end, when we had to cross over the last part, right?
Look at the camera.
I'm looking at the camera once in a while.
Don't look at me, because you're not like K-drama.
It is a drama. I'm a drama.
Anyway, so we crossed this the mountain with a
So the last mountain range, I don't know what height it was, but pretty high. There was clouds there. It was like, oh, it's so
it's
beautiful.
fogging.
And then I just managed to explain that, okay, if there's a fog in the mountain, we have to go slow and yada yada yada.
And we drive through the fogs, and it's so very unexpected. It's like, we didn't realize that, we are actually crossing it. So it was long, I think.
As soon as we went into that cloud, it became dark.
Yeah, it's like, oh my god.
Complete fog. And
we can barely see the road.
I think we could see 150 meters or something, but we didn't realize in the beginning. So
it's like, oh my god, and I was really expecting that it will be over soon, but it took too long.
Anyway, the point was we couldn't see anything. It was quite dangerous, in fact.
And it's cold.
So cold.
We're freezing. My knees were shaking, and my arms, and this part was like, oh my god, but we survived. We did it.
It was cold. I mean, I can't hide this. This was really cold, and we have very, very good equipment and clothing.
But I think it was like more or less 1 to 5 degrees, maybe, when we're up there.
Well, let me say something, because I didn't tell you when we were driving.
Yeah.
We were
What?
driving behind a salt truck.
Yeah.
That was putting salt on the road, and that means there is a chance of freezing. And it was so cold and there raining, so foggy rain, that they have been expecting that it might be so cold that it would potentially freeze, and that's why they put salt on the road.
Okay, that was nice.
Yeah, I didn't tell you, huh? So
you just told me that we're gonna follow this truck, and then...
No, not that one. We passed it. As soon as I saw it, it's like, okay, we're gonna pass that.
Okay.
Anyway.
Full of surprises, huh?
Yeah.
I had no clue. Anyway. So that was our first tough.
That was
ride.
tough, I would say. That was really tough for both of us. It was so cold.
And we did not film anything because our batteries were dead.
Yeah, at that point we didn't have much.
Because we were so busy filming the beautiful mountains.
Yeah, that's true. So we didn't have any more battery, and we didn't have enough energy just to change them. And
it's like,
just surviving was
just focus on driving and concentrate and be alert on everything, because it's so
dangerous.
It is dangerous.
Because
and it's like I had no experience at all, but you have.
Yeah, I have some, but just taking the rain or the fog off the windshield is quite challenging.
Oh my god, that was an experience.
Very. And so now we are so tired. We just went down to a cafe just across the street here, and there's one thing that I don't like much, and that is, well, we are here in the middle of town basically.
Yeah.
And it's a residential area.
Yeah, it is.
And the bikes are standing on the street, and I don't like that. But we have covers for the bikes that is now standing on the street there, and we just pray that nothing will happen.
It will be safe,
and
nobody will,
Yeah. Anyway, try not to think too much about it, but just it will be fine. They're covered. Yeah. There's motorcycles on the streets, and I can see they're all down in that end.
So we managed to hit our target today.
Yeah, reach Zaragoza.
Yeah.
Even it was tough.
It was.
Very tough. And the mountains are really the challenge. It's the altitude and the temperature. And Zaragoza right now is specifically cold. Yeah, it is about 5-6 degrees here. Yeah. So that's what we can expect tomorrow morning. And tomorrow is the target is what?
So tomorrow is our target will be we will be crossing the France border.
Yeah.
Hopefully. But we
It's
will.
544 kilometers. And the good thing about going to the French border at the coast is that it's just getting a little bit warmer.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah. So that's what we're looking forward to, is to start very, very cold tomorrow and then go towards the a little bit warmer weather. Barcelona at the moment, day temperature is about 13, 14 degrees.
Man. It's cold. It's cold today.
But it just that difference will. I mean, Madrid was okay when the sun was out, and it was okay to
It's
drive.
just the last thing.
Yeah, the last part was really tough. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, there's nothing much to say. We just want to charge all our batteries and get ready for tomorrow. Have a shower and go to bed.
A long day tomorrow again.
Oh, very. But all these days it's gonna be really long.
Yeah. Okay, so good night for now, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Hope you enjoy what we're doing and subscribing all these things, right?
If you are interested, of course.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Yeah, so, yeah.
We're doing what we can. We are learning every day, right?
Yeah.
Bye for now and good night.
Bye.
Bye-bye.